Bah! Hey, goat. Goat. Billy the Kid, where you going, boy? Oh, scary ass. Go ahead, run in the house, bitch. That nigga trying to do something. That nigga trying something. You ain't ready to get me, but y'all got there. Look, we got here deep in this motherfucker. We got here this bit deep, boy. Come on in here, boy.
Smell like goat now.
Come out here and funked it up. Funked up the place. Let's fire this blizzard up. Aaron, I gotta do it one time. Fit check. I gotta fit check. I gotta do it. Fit check. Make a bitch sweat. Hold on. All right. Fit check. Make a bitch sweat.
Okay.
Oh,
Make
don't forget the socks.
Oh,
Don't forget the socks.
you see it.
Don't forget the socks.
You see it.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You see it.
Yeah. We bring in polo bag.
Okay. You riding
a
the bike?
nigga on the bike.
Oh, he be alright.
I'm trying to figure out what the hell this nigga doing on the bike in the trail at the museum. Do he live at this motherfucker? Is he gonna rob us? Is he gonna hit us in the head or something? Damn, we should have got them way to the TP.
Squirrel.
Run, bitch, run. I'm pausing right here. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah. Man, what's up, man? We got down, cut you back. We cutting back on. Nah, this way. Look, see. Now we go this way to the lake. This is my favorite part. Like, it's a teepee up there, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I mean, we can go around the other way. I'm trying to get you. Look at this big ass bird up here, bro. It be all kind of snakes in this motherfucker. You see that big ass bird though? Right there falling on her ass. Up in that tree. Looking like a goddamn vampire or some shit. I can't really see the bird that good, but that motherfucker huge. When I say, I burnt myself with the blunt.
I thought you screamed because of bird. 3 of them.
God damn, y'all.
Better not shit on me.
I'm for real, that big ass bird. What the hell that goddamn siren going to? Slippery when wet. Oh, something on my leg. Ain't nobody walking down that motherfucker. Ain't nobody here guide us and, you know what I'm saying, help us out. We get 8 by a snake or something. I remember a long time ago, I came over here and called my name in that goddamn gazebo right there. I don't know if it's still over there.
Let's go see.
It's been a minute. Talking about years. Last time I fucked all whites up. Everybody knew all whites, not me. Always buying some damn new shoes for no damn reason. Don't even get to go nowhere in them. They probably on.
Fuck them up at home.
I swear. Hey, I'm single now, big single. Ain't got no girlfriend, ain't got no kids.
When did you have a girlfriend or kids?
I'm just saying I ain't got none. You know what I'm saying? So anybody out there trying to holler at me, go to my Facebook page, Tyler D. Follow my shit, like all my reels, and goddamn holler at me. I'm about to skip a rock across the goddamn water, y'all.